I've received this toner cartridge, which is a DR830 drum unit, and this has two drum units in it. What I'm going to be doing is trying this out in a brand new printer. Instead of using the factory installed one, I'm going to install one of these drum units. Let's take a look at the existing drum unit and compare it with the new one that we've got here. So this is how you take out the drum unit from the Brother printers. Let's see, do I have this the right way around? That's what that is. Here's the new drum unit, and the most sensitive part of this obviously is the drum itself, so you do not want to touch this with your fingers. Okay, I'm going to take this off, and so I'm going to pull this out, keeping my fingers away from that drum. And that fits in there just fine. Now, one thing that needs to be done now, actually, before we do that, is this is a brand new Brother cartridge. So I need to install this. This does not come with the toner cartridge. I need to unwrap this one and put it in there before we put this inside. Here's the cartridge from Brother. Wire cleaning is required every time you replace the toner. Oh, okay, interesting. So now this does say that the drum unit corona wire cleaning is required every time you replace the toner cartridge. So since this one has not been used, I don't think I need to do that. That's supposed to come off like that. So let's see if we can get this installed in here. How about that? That just snaps like that. And this looks like a contact drum unit with the Brother cartridge. So let's get this plugged in here, shall we? It should just go right in there without any there we go. That sounds like it's snapped in place. And I'm going to close this up. If that closes up, it should close up without any difficulty. So there we go. So that's installed. So now I'm going to get this plugged in and let's see if it works. And I'll put that in there. And then let's see if we can print something. There we go. Looks pretty crispy to me. There's all the additional print driver files. So there we go. It's working.